Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajila ukan rat sangma mendak sengi ke arpusau tarik naitung arja arpusan. Ula penong nak jingalang batu Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary ketenat Home, barki officer nak ketenat repair, barki Deputy Commissioner jong ke District repair Kajila, banyak keren banyak thir halur ke jingkta nak jing penmi hukum ke Assam, ban BNO eki basyong bean hakijaka sorkar. Kumta anak kalian ke sorkar jila po ke jingalam Menteri Ramba, kalau penong ke jingya thir ban khanglat bat ban husiar na Jingwan Rung bean ki Briew bala Shah be na Assam shapo kajila. Ka sarkar kal betha ki Deputy Commissioner, bakin betha ki BDO, ki thanat, ki bor polit, ki VDP jong ki shnong repair, ki seng bhalang bat ki nong yalam shnong, kumjuru ki nong shong shnong, bakin pet benya bat pentip. Ladadon ki bawan Rung ha kajila na jing Shah Kyndang na Assam, kenang baka sarkar kan sale ek badan kam. Kidan katu kani ki district khamtam ki badan markhab bad ka Assam bad hajan ki jaka badan ka jisha apin kendria ha Assam kumta labtha ya ki ki district ban husyar bad pe perman Menteri Rangba ula pentip bahadu menta umpat shamna yo kana kana jing ujor ni jing pentip badan ka Jingwan Rung jong ki Briew na Assam ha gajila.
Today we had a meeting along with the Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary Home, and officials from the political department, and the deputy commissioners of different districts of our state. The purpose of this meeting was to discuss the overall effect of the recent eviction drive that has been taking place in the state of Assam. Based on that, the government has been continuously engaging with the deputy commissioners to ensure that the deputy commissioners further engage with the block level, the BDO officials, as well as the thanas, the police personnels, the VDPs in different villages, different NGOs, and different traditional heads. And all this communication and overall interaction is being done to ensure that there is no infiltration or movement that takes place because of the eviction that is taking place in Assam into our state of Meghalaya. There are certain vulnerable districts, especially bordering Assam and closer to the areas where the eviction drive in Assam is going on. Hence, special attention is being given in those districts. And we had, as I said, a review meeting today where all the officials involved were present, and we have been reported and informed that no incident has taken place in any of the districts, and that all the district administration, the police, the VDPs, the different village level committees, the different traditional heads, the different NGOs, all are being coordinated with to ensure that any information that we receive on any movement or any individuals coming in will be informed immediately to us, and appropriate action will be taken. So a review took place today for that at my level, and we have given necessary instructions to be on alert, especially in the border areas, especially the ones that are bordering Assam, and especially the ones that are bordering the areas where the eviction drive is taking place.